great reminder about our country and our nation and the ability to fly our flag, and then to respectfully dispose of a flag that's been torn and weathered. It's been a tough stretch of storms that we've had, and we try to replace our flags annually, and this was an opportunity to do so with the proper ceremony. Representation here from Northeast High School. Northeast Junior ROTC crew came in. We had the Stronger Together Foundation representing veterans that come in and help support that, and then Woodman Life that was able to donate the flag, a quality flag. So it was just an opportunity for us to just be reminded about the importance of respecting our flag, our country, and then just having the fortunate ability to fly our flag each and every day.
We want pride in our community, and we want to give people reasons to have pride in our community, and that starts with us.
Kind of a multifold type of effort there is to unite community. We're a military town here, a lot of veterans here, and so we all kind of combined it together and trying to put a little patriotism back in the community too by presenting the flags. You can go to our webpage, StrongerTogetherFoundation.org, and there's a place on there they can put in for a flag, and we'll be glad to come to their business and present them with a flag.
Thank you. Great job.